ready to board. That's good. See you on the other side.
Hello and welcome to our new vlog series of our Northern European cruise on P&O Cruises Iona. In this video we show our embarkation and the first view of our cabin, and later in the video we show you how to use the My Holiday webpage to book dining and entertainment as soon as you board so you don't miss out.
Hi, welcome on board.
We've got on really early today, which is great. So I'm going to have a little cake, and then we're here. And we're at cabin 15. Or what have we got? So I'll let you do the honours this time.
So exciting. You can never beat this feeling.
And the cases are here, which is really good. Nikki's arrived.
In you go, Gail. Hang on.
Put the card in. Thank you.
Oh, lovely.
Really nice.
So I'm going to talk you through now how to use the P&O app or a web page, as that's what it actually is. So when you get on board, you need to turn your device to airplane mode. You then need to connect to the Wi-Fi P&O guest, and then you need to screenshot the QR code, and that will bring up the web page. You then need to log in with your own personal details and also the last 6 digits of your cruise number, which is on the piece of paper you get when you check in, or you'll find it on your cruise card once you get to your cabin. You can then go through the dining options, which you can see on the screen now. They just show what's available. Up at the top, you can then choose to go in a queue for one of the main dining rooms or some of the specialty restaurants. And then you see how many's in the queue, you join the queue, and then once that is available, you will get a notification to say your table's ready, and you can then make your way down to whatever dining room, and you get 15 minutes to go there. Or you can do it from a bar that's near, and then you can just pop along as soon as you get that notification. So you can pick guests up to 7. This, what's on the screen now, is just showing how you're going to book your entertainment. A lot of these are showing fully booked, which is why you need to do it as soon as you get on board. However, I think I actually screenshotted these partway through the cruise, so that's why a lot of them are fully booked. So basically you pick which one you want to go to, and then choose how many people, what time you want to go, and then enter, and then you get a notification. So it's really as simple as that. There's lots of entertainment on board, so you do need to time everything with your dining and your entertainment, so you've got enough time to get between the two. There's also a section where you can look at your bookings, onboard account, my diary, and that, as you can see now, shows all the bookings we've made in date order, so you can see if you've got any clashes or whether there's two very near that you're not going to be able to make, and then you can amend the date. Hope that was helpful.